everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today review of the 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome, the next generation RV that blends classic van life vibes with cutting-edge tech and comfort. At first glance, the 2025 VW Motorhome keeps that iconic, clean VW design. But look closer, it's bigger, bolder, and built for serious road trips. With its sleek LED lighting, aerodynamic body, and optional two-tone paint, it's turning heads at every campsite. Step inside, and this is where the magic really happens. The interior is fully modular, with retractable beds, a pop-up roof for extra headroom, and a surprisingly spacious kitchenette, complete with an induction cooktop, sink, and fridge. Need to work remotely? There's a built-in fold-out desk, 5G hotspot, and solar-powered battery packs for totally off-grid adventures. Under the hood, you've got two options: a turbocharged hybrid delivering 300 horsepower, or the fully electric version with up to 310 miles of range. Both handle more like a crossover than a camper, smooth, quiet, and super responsive. The digital cockpit is loaded with features: a 12-inch touchscreen, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even a camp mode that auto-levels the vehicle when parked. It's not just for hardcore campers. The 2025 Motorhome is designed for families, solo travelers, or digital nomads. With up to 4 sleeping zones, smart climate control, and ambient LED lighting, it's like a boutique hotel on wheels. So is the 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome worth it? If you're looking for freedom, flexibility, and tech-savvy comfort, this could be your ultimate road trip companion. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive deep dives.